What is DevSecOps? DevSecOps, short for Development, Security, and Operations, is a development practice that integrates security initiatives at every stage of the software development lifecycle to deliver robust and secure applications. DevSecOps infuses security into the continuous integration and continuous delivery (C/CD) pipeline, allowing development teams to address some of today's most pressing security challenges at DevOps speed. Historically, security considerations and practices were often introduced late in the development lifecycle. However, with the rise of more sophisticated cybersecurity attacks, and development teams shifting to shorter, more frequent iterations on applications, DevSecOps is now becoming a go-to practice for ensuring applications are secure in this modern development ecosystem. What are the benefits of DevSecOps? Security is top of mind for every organization today. Fortunately, DevSecOps' emphasis on incorporating security at every stage is proving to be a more secure approach to development while meeting the velocity of today's rapid release cycle. The DevSecOps approach brings with it specific benefits. DevSecOps embeds a proactive approach to mitigate cybersecurity threats early in the development lifecycle. This means that development teams will rely on automated security tools to test code on the fly, performing security audits without slowing development cycles. DevOps teams will review, audit, test, scan, and debug code at various stages of the development process to ensure the application is passing critical security checkpoints. When security vulnerabilities are exposed, application security and development teams will work collaboratively on solutions at the code level to address the problem. DevSecOps brings development teams and application security teams together early in the development process, building a collaborative cross-team approach. Rather than siloed, disparate operations that stifle innovation and even lead to division among business units, DevSecOps empowers teams to get on the same page early, leading to cross-team buy-in and more efficient team collaboration. Embed security earlier and often the development life cycle, automate as many security processes as possible and streamline reporting all enhance security and enables compliance teams, ensuring that security practices embolden fast development cycles. For example, suppose a development team completes all the initial development stages of an application, only to find that there is an array of security vulnerabilities right before bringing the application to production. In that case, this can result in a major delay in delivery. Leverage automation to identify, manage, and patch common vulnerabilities and exposures, CVE. Use pre-built scanning solutions early and often to scan any pre-built container images in the build pipeline for CVEs. Introduce security measures that not only mitigate risk but also provide insight to teams so that teams can remediate quickly when vulnerabilities are discovered. One of the strongest benefits of DevSecOps is it creates a streamlined agile development process, an approach that if done correctly can greatly limit security vulnerabilities. Many of the cybersecurity testing processes, tasks, and services integrate quite easily with the automated services found in an application development or operations team. By emphasizing a security-first approach to the development process, organizations can remove unknown variables that will undoubtedly influence the product release timelines.